You can't go wrong with these ingredients. We have chicken, sour cream, olives, corn. It's just too delicious. And I get to use my cast iron skillet. So I have all my things together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. Pan is hot. I put a little bitty garlic in there just to check the temperature, and I am gonna put my garlic and my onion. I'm going to cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let them get translucent. All right, our onions are ready. I noticed, I'm sure you noticed, there were some little green circles in here. We had a slight hesitation. My husband is sitting here and he's like, babe, throw a couple of our jalapeno peppers in there. So I did. So that's what those are. Just add a little spice. If you don't want them, you don't have to have them. Okay, we're going to add our green peppers. We're going to add our spices. My husband grew jalapenos this summer, and I have, like the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, I have jalapenos all everywhere. So it's a good thing we like them. Ah, that's ready. All right, next we're going to put in our corn and our tomatoes. Add in our chicken. Okay, that is our chicken filling. I just bought a mild salsa verde. And what we're going to do, we're going to use about half of a container for corn tortillas. Just like that. Then we're going to put our rice, and we are going to carefully add our chicken mixture on top of the rice. Then we're going to lay 4. Well, it's 4 because that's what fits my pan. It's whatever fits your pan. All right. Then just going to add the rest of this and our cheese. And yes, this is very full. We are going to put this in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 375. I have a lid that is domed that fits my pan. If you don't, go ahead and get a piece of foil and dome it over the top of your pan so it doesn't hit the cheese. In 20 minutes, we're going to uncover it for another 10 minutes until it gets brown and kind of, you'll see, it's kind of brown and bubbly. So. Ooh, that's good. Okay. That's really yummy. So, thank you very much for joining us. It's great to be back. Anyway, I hope you had fun and that you will join us next time here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.